Sculpted Yoga Booty Butt Workout. Welcome back, guys, or should I rather say welcome back, Al. You haven't seen me for some time. I've been teaching a lot, so I don't always get time. So come onto your knees, and we're going to work into the buttocks. Knees under the hips, wrists under the shoulders into box pose. We're going to work into the stabilizer, which is in the hip, which gets very weak when you sit. So remember to engage your core while you're in this position. It's not just the leg that's working, you're engaging the core. And when you're ready, we're going to start lifting the right leg as it is, so don't change it. And we're going to lift it up. So the foot is not high, the knee and the foot is on the same height, and the knees in line with the hips. So we're not down here. Unless you're very weak, then you hold it as high as you can, preferably up here. And now pretend there's a little pencil sticking out of your knee, and we're going to draw small circles forward with the knee. So the movement is not in the knee, it's in the hip. Engage your core, and we're slowly making circles forward. Keep going. Take a break when you need to, and we stop holding it up, and now we're going to make small circles backwards. This is a follow along, and we stop and hold it. And exhale, straighten your leg to the back, and we hold it in line with the spine. Don't let the tummy, the back arch and the tummy relax. Suck the navel in, core is active. And now you're just gonna squeeze the right buttocks. As you squeeze, you'll see the leg goes tiny bit up and down. Slow movement, so we squeeze, release, squeeze, release. And we come to the center and hold it. Flex the back foot. Try and keep it that height and bring it out to the side. If it's this far you can go, it's fine, but bring it out and hold it up. Little bit higher. And foot down and bring the knee in, and we take a break, sinking down into child's pose. You can place the head on the floor, you can make a fist or two, and just take a break in child's pose. And inhale, use your core and slowly come back up. If your wrist gets tired, just give them a twirl. If your wrist starts to burn, you're not breaking them, they're just weak. So if it's severe pain, then please get off your wrists. And we're going to go back into box for the other side. So we're going to go to the left leg and engage the core. Don't forget about your core. And we lift the left leg up. And we're making small circles forward with the knee. So All the movement is in the hip. And we stop, and now we're going the other direction. And we stop and we hold it up. And a little bit higher, hold it. And exhale, straighten the leg to the back, keep it up in line with the spine, suck the navel in. So we're not hanging with the tummy, nice and straight. And now we're going to squeeze the left buttocks. So all your attention on the left buttocks and squeeze, release, squeeze, release. And we stop, and then hold the leg up, flex the back foot, keep it at height and bring it to the side and hold it up. Excuse for the, they're cutting the grass, so there might be some noise. A little bit higher. And exhale, foot down, bring the knee in. And take a rest. Well done. We're going to stretch into that area now. So come onto your wrists and toes, and we bring the left leg forward for pigeon, left knee to the left wrist, and work your foot as high as you can. Slide back with the back leg, untuck the back toes. You can stay here, or you can come down onto your elbows, or all the way down, head down. Make sure you're not leaning with your pelvis to the one side or the other side. Keep them parallel. And we hold it. Inhale, lift your head, walk the hands back, place your hands under the shoulders, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and we slide the left leg out, and we bring the right knee to the right wrist and slide back. Work the right ankle as high as you can, untuck the back toes. Sorry, they're cutting the grass. I have some competition. So I hope you guys can hear me. And then slide back and place the elbows down and try to do the same as you did on the other side. And we go down. Don't let the hips fall to the one side. Inhale, lift your head, bring your hands under your shoulders, tuck the back toes, and we slide the right leg out and bring the knees down. Sorry, I have somebody cutting the grass this side and somebody using those leaf blowers on this side. Okay, and let's continue. So from here, turn onto your buttocks, straighten your legs, and we're going to use the core to lower ourselves. So arms stretch out as a counterweight, tuck your chin and use your core and slowly lower yourself onto the mat. Very good. And we're going to do bridge pose. So bend your knees and bring the feet hip width apart. So the feet are apart. Your arms are just relaxed. And we're going to press into the heels. Sorry, my eyes are closed because of the sun. We're going to press into the heels and we're going to squeeze the buttocks and lift the pelvis as high as you can. Don't look around with your neck while you're up. Okay. And inhale, and we press into the heels and we squeeze up and exhale down. Just before you reach the floor, inhale and squeeze and exhale. 3, keep going. 4, 5, 6, and number 10, and we hold it up. Squeeze. And if you can, keep it up and we straighten the right leg. Thighs are parallel to each other. All the weight is on the left leg now, and we're going to go up and down on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. And number 10, and we bend the right knee, place the right foot back down, and now we straighten the left, and we're going to do 10 on the right. If you've done 3 on the left, do 3 on the right. Keep it balanced. 6, 7, and number 10, we stay up, bend the left knee, and we are up, holding it. Don't come down. And we're going to do 10 more ups and downs with both legs. Inhale and exhale, squeeze. 2, 3, keep going. And when you get to number 10, hold it. Don't let the knees fall inwards. Keep them over the feet. Hold it, squeeze. Squeeze a little bit higher. And exhale, slowly come back down and get your knees into the chest, squeeze the knees in, and we rock side to side, slowly massaging the back, massaging the buttocks, the back of the head, the shoulders. And come back to the center. Release your feet and come into Shavasana, arms out, and take a deep breath in and sigh it out through your mouth. And turn onto your side and use your top hand to push yourself up into sitting. Tip of the day, the leaf blower. I have such competition. Anyway, I hope the mic picks me up and not that. Tip of the day, if you want to build muscle, repetition. You all know this. You can't do it once. You have to keep doing it. Unfortunately, it's something you just have to do. And another tip is, try not to make videos when there's a leaf blower. And I apologize. I have taken some time off. You've guys seen I haven't uploaded videos for a while. I'm teaching so much that I don't always get time to make videos, but I try and do my best. So don't go away. I'm still here, still making videos. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your delicious booty, your sculpted yoga booty butt workout. And if you enjoy this, oh, I'm screaming, this thing is so loud. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and if you enjoy this, please hit the like button. I can't. Bye. Ariom Tat Sat.